Arrive in style with this 2014 Buick Verano. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are multi-zone AC, satellite radio, rear defrost, floor mats, universal garage door opener, variable speed intermittent wipers, and remote engine start. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.